finally we got this big piece that we needed, because hauling that engine around, me and my brother lifting that engine up at times is a pain in the butt. So to get the job done right and have everything you need, you definitely need one of these. Alright, this is it, guys. We finally picked up the biggest piece of the puzzle that we needed for a very long time. We picked up a engine hoist, engine crane for the R18 Turbo Civic build. And this is a must when pulling motors out of your vehicle, because unless you're Superman, you won't be able to lift that motor. And yes, they're a 4-banger motor, but they are still pretty heavy. So in this video, I go through just a quick process of installing and putting this crane together in the house, because it's like 15 degrees outside. So we have to move in the crane build halfway in the house. So enjoy the video, guys. No more lifting the engine by hand, which is pretty heavy. So we're gonna assemble the wheels first, get it all going. And things are about to get a lot easier with this new tool in the garage. I'm lost. It's like the smallest picture to reference. So that's pretty much as far as I can get the engine stand done in the house. Anymore, I wouldn't be able to take it out. So we got all the accessories in the second container that came in. As you can see, we got the legs and we got the actual hoist, the hydraulic hoist. So we'll be tackling this here and finishing up the engine stand. So we got the crane assembled. It took about a good hour to 2 hours to get everything assembled. I still got to go over the engine crane and just tighten every single nut and bolt on here, because right now most of them are just finger tight. And The cool thing is, I mean, it is a big crane, but it is fully adjustable. You can extend it, decrease the length, and these legs, since they're on these pins, you can actually remove them, bend them forward, which is exactly what we're gonna do, because you know our garage is nice and tight. And that engine crane's purpose is going to be right over here. You got the R18 engine that's right now currently hibernating in this cold winter, and we're going to be lifting this engine. Obviously, we're going to be swapping the motor, and thanks again, Heavy Fab Parts, for this crane that we needed for our channel here, and hopefully it does us good. R18 engines probably roughly around 250 to 300 pounds, maybe with a transmission 400 or 500 pounds, but again, if this can lift 2 tons, so there's plenty of power to get the things done for the R18. So if you guys are interested in a product like this, go check out the description below. Again, I purchased this item from Fab Heavy Parts, so they have many items that you can use for your garage, or if you're a hobbyist yourself. I'll put that URL in the description below, and you can check them out yourself, and if you see something you like, you can go ahead and purchase it yourself.